Hey everyone, so I spoke to a DAV Alliance candidate today. They're based locally right here in Vancouver, British Columbia, so I'm going to be seeing them face to face in the next couple days, see whether or not there's something that we can do together. Looking forward to that. And I also spoke to someone over at the crypto company. Unfortunately, they're unable to participate in our pre-sale or our token sale because they are based in the United States. However, there's a lot that we can probably do together, so we're going to continue that conversation. And finally, I also had a chance to speak to an external communications agency that they've given us some advice about how to recraft our global narrative, and so I'm going to be working on that myself in the next couple of days. And that's it for me today. I will see you guys next time.
Hi guys. So yesterday I added my finishing touches, final comments on the decentralized EV charging proposal. In addition, of course, to answering questions by email. Today, in addition to incoming inquiries, I will be reaching out specifically to follow up with some of our earliest contributor community members. See you next time.
Hey there. So, yesterday I worked on the smart contracts and today I am working on the smart contracts. Basically smart contracts every day this week and almost all day long. Yesterday I did spend a couple of hours working with Shahar on updates to the infrastructure of the architecture of mission control and captain, as well as the API for the DAV SDK. And today I also worked with Lior on the communication protocol for our autonomous boat project. But other than that, smart contracts, smart contracts, smart contracts, smart contracts. See you tomorrow.
Hello everyone, so today was a very long day. I started by finishing the integration of the Aerospike database, and now it's integrated into the code. And Tim is taking it from here and he's going to add all the necessary code for the Copter Express demo. Other than that, I've finished, hopefully, the text that we're going to post for the new jobs that we're recruiting for. And the rest of the day was mainly about all the pull requests that I've neglected in the last few days, and I've now hopefully taken care of all of them, so the board is now clean. See you tomorrow, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I started the day with a follow-up discussion I had with Gal about our new video formats towards our conference chat with Joe later on today. Later I did some DailyDAV and I made a video ad presentation. Video ads are all about engaging the community and get more traction, so you'll hear more about that soon. Later I'm gonna have a conference chat with Joe and Gal about future video strategy. We're gonna decide and see where we want to put our effort and what kind of content we want to release. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so yesterday I started working on a new communication protocol that will be called photo shooting. It will first be used for the autonomous boat POC that takes selfies, and later for other use cases. I continued working on it today. I'm getting really close to finishing the first version of it. And I also finished working on this project that we've been working on for quite a while now for the decentralized EV charging. So we drafted this first version we needed, and also worked a little bit on the research for the non-autonomous ride-hailing service I discussed with Adal, which will help us with it this week. And I guess this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hey Davers, Alick here. I'm on the roof of our beautiful building. It's nighttime. So all the research I've been doing since Thursday have been paying off. I added more than 8 new companies to our database and more than 42 members in these companies. Me, John, and Kyle will have our weekly call in an hour or so, where we discuss the strategy for outbound communications to these companies and members. Let's see how that will unfold. Have a great evening. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So Friday of last week, my main focus was to continue to push a few of these advisors closer to the finish line and coming on board and working with Dev. As you guys know, I'm always doing a lot of work to bring on awesome advisors in the Bay Area and beyond. So did a good amount of work towards that. Also worked with our paid partner on some of the analytics and metrics as it pertains to the different paid media we're pushing behind things like Facebook, Twitter, and the Google network. We make sure we have a great amount of content coming out on a weekly basis. Currently we're producing about 3 pieces of content per week, typically one announcement, if there is an announcement, a thought leadership piece, and then also a DAV insider. Also worked with a few different team members, one of which was Gal, regarding social media posts, make sure we're on the same page there. Also worked with John on some different prospecting methods as it pertains to the DAV Alliance. But that's about it for today. Thanks everybody. Have a good night.
Hi, welcome to my daily DAV. Yesterday I finished a document that I've been working on for a little while to do with transaction flows for how people can use the DAV ecosystem and the token more simply. And today I'm getting back to working on ride hailing and analysis for different cities that we're looking at around the world. Bye-bye.